Did you know that the proceeds from the Warren Haynes Christmas Jam stay right here in Warren's hometown of Asheville?
One of the things that I really like about working with Habitat, aside from what a great organization they are and wonderful people that are involved, I like the fact that you see where the money goes. We see all these houses, we know what we've done.
The Christmas Jam has raised more than $1.3 million for Asheville area Habitat for Humanity to build homes for hardworking people right here in our community. We would like to take this opportunity to thank Warren Haynes, his wife Stephanie Scamardo, and all who donate their time and talent. More local families have a safe, decent, and affordable home, thanks to Warren and all of the Christmas Jam musicians.